How to disable similar account suggestions on Instagram. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Instagram. Enter your login credentials and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now you simply need to head over to profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will be able to see similar accounts in suggestions. If you want to remove, click on this icon. In the section of how to use Instagram, head over to notifications. Move to following and followers. You have to make sure that the account suggestions option is turned off. Now you won't be able to see any of the similar accounts in suggestions, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.